Today, I'm going to share with you the next great thing. We are taking a leap and will create a genuinely premium flagship smartphone developed specifically for you, the Realme GT2 Pro, and it's anything but typical. We have worked with Naoto Fukasawa once again for the Realme GT2 Pro to bring the same high level of ingenuity to this master design. We're calling it Paper Tech Master Design, and it's inspired by paper with a very premium, minimalist look overall. 2020, we released the industry-leading 60-time ultra-zoom camera, and honestly, who needs a telescope when you have a 60-time periscope zoom on your phone? More importantly, what surprise do you think that we'll bring this year? We will make the world's first 150-degree ultra-wide-angle camera on a smartphone. Of course, with a little extra thought, you can apply that wide-angle technology to make all sorts of interesting photos. Keep up. We have developed the world's first fisheye mode on a smartphone. This feature is inspired by the camera industry's fisheye lens, which can produce a strong perspective or ultra-long depth of field effect. With a large field of view, the overall picture becomes even more visually appealing. That being said, the Realme GT2 Pro will be equipped with a revolutionary antenna array matrix system. This system consists of 3 technologies: the world's first ultra-wideband hypersmart antenna switching technology. Details. Starting with the world's antenna design is beyond advanced. The Realme GT2 Pro supports 48 mainstream global bands, covering more than 150 countries and regions around the world. The ultra-wideband hypersmart antenna switching technology and Wi-Fi enhancement system allow you to experience a faster and more stable network. You gamers don't have to endure lags or latency when playing games any longer. The 360-degree NFC function can make your life more convenient and get you to work on time. These are the latest entries in our relentless pursuit of great innovation. I'm proud to say that the Realme GT2 Pro is a high-end flagship phone for the next generation. All its hardware and software features took our young users into deep consideration. Parameters and software features waiting to be discovered by you. Finally, I want to say thank you again to all our media friends, our partners, business associates, fans, and all those who watched our live broadcast. I wish that your tomorrow is greater than your yesterday.